we're unlocking a quick 2-ingredient protocol to totally reset your gut. It's a huge issue, guys. A staggering 8 out of 10 people suffer from serious gut imbalance.
And that leads straight to everyday nightmares like bloating, gas, acidity, and literal constipation.
But here's the crazy part. The cure is completely free and literally sitting in your kitchen right now. First up is Ajwain. It's packed with an active compound called thymol, which kickstarts your digestive enzymes.
Those awakened enzymes digest your food perfectly, completely eliminating trapped gas and stopping constipation in its tracks.
The routine? Super simple. Just soak 1 spoon overnight, filter the water, and drink it every single morning. The second ingredient is curd, but listen closely, it has to be homemade, no store-bought stuff allowed.
Homemade curd is absolutely loaded with live probiotics that build super healthy bacteria colonies inside your stomach. Think of your gut like a garden. The Ajwain sweeps it clean and the curd plants fresh seeds.
But wait, this only works with 3 strict rules. No refined flour, 0 sugar, and light dinners. If you ignore these boundaries, honestly, the Ajwain and curd just won't be able to heal your gut. Try this for 7 days. You'll fix your routine, normalize washroom visits, and feel so much lighter.
Subscribe for healthy habits and better living.